Hello everyone, this is the shortest IQ option strategy video I am making on my channel. Today, I am going to show you an amazing strategy with very effective results in just 3 minutes. Stick with me till the end to learn this amazing strategy. We are using Bollinger Bands and RSI indicators for this strategy. But don't worry, this is not the same strategy you've tried before. This is highly effective, and many professional traders who trade in stock markets are even using this amazing strategy on TradingView platforms. So first, I am going to add our indicators. First, Bollinger Bands. Search for Bollinger Bands and click on it. Now, don't change any settings here. Go to the color and display settings. Change the upper line color to white and increase the thickness a little bit. Now, change the middle line color to white and decrease the opacity a little bit. Finally, change the lower line color to white and increase the thickness a little bit. Okay, now let's add the RSI indicator. Search for it and click on it. In settings, change the period to 13 and leave other settings as they are. Increase the baseline thickness a little bit and click Apply. Now listen carefully. This is how the strategy works. When the market crosses the upper Bollinger line, there is a possibility the market will turn and start going downwards. But not every time. Sometimes market candles break the upper Bollinger line, but nothing happens, and the market still goes higher. So that's why we use the RSI indicator. When the market crosses the upper Bollinger line, look at the RSI indicator. If the RSI indicator crosses its upper level, and also the Bollinger Bands cross their upper level at the same time, that's a bearish signal for us. Because both the Bollinger Bands and RSI indicators are showing the market is overbought, indicating the market should go down for the next few candles. Also, when the Bollinger Bands and RSI both cross their lower line at the same time, it's a bullish signal for us. In the next few candles, the market is likely to move upwards. Okay, now let's open a trade in IQ option using this strategy. Here, I am opening a trade to the downside because, as you can clearly see, the market broke the upper Bollinger line, and also the RSI indicator broke the upper level. That means our market is overbought, and now the market is likely to turn and start moving downwards. I'll remind you again, when we open a trade, we need to give some time to the market to move in its trend. So, opening trades with very short time periods can be very dangerous for this strategy. Therefore, open a trade with at least 3 or 4 minutes of expiration time, okay? Let's wait for the result. Wow, great! We won again. Clear. Look, I am opening a trade to the upside because the market broke the lower Bollinger line and also the RSI indicator broke the lower level. That means our market is oversold, and now the market is likely to turn and start moving upwards. Also, remember, when we open a trade, we need to give some time to the market to move in its trend, because the market is always fluctuating. It's important to follow the current trend. So opening trades with very short time periods can be very dangerous for this strategy. Therefore, to open a trade with at least 3 or 4 minutes of expiration time. Okay, let's wait for the result. Wow, great. We won that trade. So, this is the strategy that I wanted to show you. Practice this in your demo account first before you get into the real deal. Let me know how the strategy is working for you and subscribe if you want to learn more binary options strategies. I will see you in my next video. Peace.